Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me Vansha Roda and welcome to the Economist class. So in this session, we will gonna cover our last topic of this unit, balance of payment. We will be completing in this unit. So the last topic is all about the items. Few items are of autonomous nature and few items are of accommodating nature. Like in the balance of payment, there are certain items which takes place just because for the profit motive, and there are some items which helps in fulfilling the gap occurred in the BO. So let's study about that both the items. So number one, as I've said you, autonomous items. What is autonomous items? Do you have any idea regarding this? So autonomous items refers to those kind of international economic transactions which take place due to some economic motive, such as profit maximization, like a ऐसी transaction which takes place just for the profit maximization. And these items are known as the above the line items. These items are known as above the line items. Very, very important word is it is above the line items, and this concept is also important from exam point of view because in the previous times we have seen that these topics are very minute topics and CBSE is asking question on that topics. Okay, so first important word is these transactions are for the economic motives, profit maximization. Second point is of these are known as above the line items, and these are independent of the state of BOP account. Like if the BOP is in deficit, if the BOP is in surplus, if the BOP is at balance stage, it doesn't matter. These items are free from any situation of BOP, and this can place in both current and capital account. ये current and capital दोनों में हो सकती है. ठीक है. If I'll talk about current account, merchandise exports and imports are autonomous transactions, and if there will be BOP is in surplus, autonomous receipts are more than autonomous payments. And if BOP is deficit, autonomous payments are more than autonomous receipts. Like payments ज़्यादा हो चुकी हूँ तभी तो deficit पे जा रहा है ना. तो ये सब तो आपको रिलेशनशिप अब चीज समझ आई गई ना, सरप्लस क्यों होता है, डेफिसिट क्यों होता है. तो यू कैन ईदर form a statement by your own. There is nothing to learn it again and again, so you can form it your own. Okay, so this is all about autonomous items. So let's see what is accommodating transactions. What the word accommodating means in English, you are having this word accommodate, accommodating. What does this means? This means that you have to fit in something in between. You have to fit in something in between. It means that these are the transactions which fulfill the gap, which covers the gap in the BOP. These transactions are determined by the net consequences of the autonomous transactions. Like autonomous transaction, if that transactions made the BOP a little unstable, so that this will cover the gap. Okay, so these items are known as below the line items. Accommodating transactions are compensating capital transactions that are meant to correct the disequilibrium in the autonomous payments of balance of payment. ठीक है. So as I've suggested that if it becomes unstable, if it becomes disequilibrium, so it will correct it. Autonomous items will correct that situation. What are the sources to meet a deficit in BOP? What are the sources? Sources are number one is foreign exchange reserves, and the other is borrowings from IMF, International Monetary Funds, or Foreign Monetary Authority. So these are the two which helps in meeting the BOP deficit. Okay, so these are the two items, accommodating and autonomous transactions. So it is very important from exam point of view. You will be getting a short theory question or it's an MCQ question. Here's the difference between them. So first is meaning. Autonomous items refers to that items that are having an economic motive, whereas accommodating items are that items which covers the gap in the BOP. Whereas if I'll go on the effect on the BOP are independent of the BOP nature, autonomous transactions are no having any effect on the BOP. It is independent of it. Accommodating, it maintains the balance. It corrects the disequilibrium situation of it. And autonomous transaction takes place in both current and capital account. Accommodating transaction takes place only in capital account. Very important point. Accommodating transactions only takes place in capital account, not in current account. So you must know and remember this. Okay. And the most important next is the alternative names of it. Okay. So autonomous items are known as above the line items, and accommodating items are known as below the line items. So these two are the names of the items that are things like autonomous का दूसरा name हमारे पास above the line है, accommodating का दूसरा नाम हमारे पास below the. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? And this is the very last topic of this unit and very small topic. It is not an important topic, but still it is a topic, so we can discuss it here as well. So official reserve transactions क्या होते हैं? These are the transactions which is carried out by the monetary authority of the country. कोई monetary authority हो उसने कोई transaction करी हो तो that is official reserve transactions, जो कि हमारे official reserves में changes कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो autonomous receipts and autonomous payments give rise either to deficit or surplus on the balance of payment, and central bank finance it through reducing the reserves and by borrowing from monetary authority. अभी पढ़ा था ना, IMF से लेगा, ठीक है, या किसी और से लेगा तो borrowing करेगा. तो ऑफिशियल रिजर्व ट्रांजैक्शन यही चीजें आती हैं. समझ आई बात यहाँ तक आपको? इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? डू यू हैव एनी डाउट टिल हियर? नो? दैट्स ग्रेट. सो with this we have just completed our this unit as well. Balance of payment is completed now, and in the next video we will jump on to the foreign exchange reserves. There we will study about the second chapter of this unit. As I've told you in the introductory video of this unit that we are having two chapters in this unit. One is the balance of payment and another is the foreign exchange. So in the next video we will be starting with foreign exchange. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are facing any doubt in this chapter, do share with me in the comment section. So thank you so much.